Every time I go hiking, I always bring my survival kit. There are 12 utensils in this survival kit. This is the mini flashlight. It has 3 modes. 1 being a regular light, 2 being an SOS light. To close it, you just have to use the safety lock. First, I'm going to show you how to use my trusty fire starter. To use properly, first remove the black coating on the outside. This is the tactical pen. It can be used to take your notes. This is the survival bracelet. It comes with a mini fire starter, a compass, and a small whistle. It's also adjustable, and it's made out of paracord, which can withstand 440 pounds of resistance. This is the wire saw. Or you can use it like a real saw. This is the compass. This is the emergency blanket. This is the multifunctional card. This is a very durable, waterproof box with a shock-proof lining.
Hi, Zach here, and I want to introduce you to the 13-in-1 Emergency DLY Kit. Let's take a look at this. First and foremost, comes with a nice velvet pouch, your emergency blanket in case you ever get cold and needed it, and then here's your kit. Very sturdy, nice quality, and we just pop it open. Let's see what's inside. You have your emergency whistle, pretty nice. Your water bottle carrier, works just great. And, ooh, look at this. We actually have a flint. In case you needed to start some fires, you can just simply start going. It has a spark. Very cool. Very cool. We have your, what looks like pliers. Aha, it is. Some pliers. It also has some attachments here for your light. It was just on. Oh, there you go. You screw that right on just like that. Very nice. Flashlight. Your survival pen. In case you need to get out of your car quickly, just take this and pound it up against the glass and it should shatter the glass just fine. We also have, my favorite, your pocket knife. Now this pocket knife comes with a little cutter here, your razor blade right underneath there. Also has a glass breaker on the end. Flips right out nice and easy. Handle's really nice. The weight is just definitely really good quality and can easily be folded right back into place. Very nice. Also comes with your little hook in case you need to unscrew that. And lock, boom, boom. There you go there. This is pretty cool. This is a saw. Believe it or not, this is a saw. You can take this, unwind it, and you can just back and forth, and be able to gather wood for a fire anytime you need it. This is a cool little thing here. This comes with some paracord. Believe it or not, has 2 screwdrivers here on the edge. This is a hexagonal tool if you need to unscrew anything there. We also have your can opener, your bottle opener, measurements here as well, and a straight edge for any cutting that you needed as well. Very, very nice. That makes up the DLY 13-in-1 Emergency Survival Kit. My name is Zach. Have a good one.